In this video, we are going to look at how to create a magazine website for free using Blogger, and then this website we can go ahead and earn from it. So the first thing we do, come to Google and search for Blogger. This is going to be very easy. So after searching Blogger, open this first link, which is blogger.com. When it's your first time, you will not see this, because this for me, I already have a blog here. But when it's your first time, we will see something like this. Let's go to you see something like this. Then sign in with your Google account and then click on create your blog. Then after clicking on create your blog, you will be brought to some screen. So I'm going to click new blog from here, and then we all arrive at this pop-up. So now we need to give our blog a title. I'm going to call it magazine tutorial. Magazine tutorial. Then click next. Now you have to choose the address of your blog, which will be the public internet address that people can go to access your blog. So I'm going to call it ET, which stands for channel name, Eugine Tech, then magazine blog. Magazine blog. When you see that, sorry, this blog address is not available, just choose another one. So the magazine blog, let's see. Okay, so this is available. Then now click save. Now we see our magazine blog is now open. If it is your first time to use Blogger, you may be required to enter some name that will be your Blogger profile, but that's so easy. So now our site is created. We can click on view blog down here to see how it is looking like. So now this is the site, and we see that there is nothing here. So this is the Blogger default template, but we don't want to be using this because it doesn't look so good. So we are going to go back to Google and search for P templates. Then we are going to open this link, btemplates.com. Now we are going to look for a magazine template that looks good. So there are some popular options available here, like this one, the Sitlali magazine. But if you are not interested in it, you can just search here magazine, and then you have more options that you can choose from. So you can look through them by clicking on the demo, this, and then you'll be able to see how they will look like when you actually use them on your blog. So this is how our website will look like if we use this Italy. To me it looks good enough, so it's the one I'm going to use for this tutorial. So now click on download and choose, okay, this is not a free template. Okay, there's a free download here. There's a premium version and a free one. So we are going to use the free version, but like some features and the credit links must be kept. So when you use this one, you must keep the credits at the bottom of the theme to show that it is actually from Sitali magazine. So we are going to click on free download. Now it is downloaded. Let's go to our downloads folder, and then we can see Sitali free here, the zip file. Click on it and extract. So I'm going to extract it to Sitali folder. once it is extracted, open it, and inside it you can see this entirely free blogger template.xml file. So this is the file that we are going to need. Go back to your blogger dashboard, and then click on theme and click on customize, click on restore, then click on upload. Now go to your downloads folder, then choose the entirely free folder, continue, and then click on entirely free.xml file and open. So this file will now be uploaded and we see a restored theme. So now if we go back to our blog by clicking view blog, see now, yeah, the theme has been applied, and it looks good generally. So now we need to go ahead and add our first post. So go to posts here, then click on new post. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate some sample text for a magazine blog. So the title, I already sent my prompt to ChatGPT to generate that for me. So the title here, I'm going to navigating the digital age. So I copy my title and then bring it here. So that's where you put your post title. Then now here you type your post, and we have some formatting tools up here. If you are new to Blogger, I would recommend you to come to my YouTube channel, go to playlists and go to Blogger course and view the full playlist. Here in this course, I provided you with everything you need to know to create an amazing Blogger website. So make sure to check it out so that you will be able to know all you need to know to make your blog posts look appealing. Yeah, so that is it. Now let's get the content of the post and add it here. So I'll copy from here till the end, right here, right click and copy, then I'm going to paste it here, but I will use if I use Ctrl V, yeah, it works fine. But in some cases, when you copy from ChatGPT and use Ctrl V, you end up with a black background added to the text here. So to avoid that, let's say you don't want that black background to come with your text, just press Ctrl Shift V, paste. Then you'll be able to paste the text that is plain text. Actually, why it becomes bold is just because the B was actually highlighted before I pasted it. So I'm going to undo this. Yeah, as you can see. Now I'm going to highlight the headings. So I highlight that, then I make it a heading, then highlight this two, make it a heading. Okay, make it a heading, then click outside of it, leave these empty spaces. Yeah, I believe this should be enough for you to get started. Set it as heading. Now select all the text using Ctrl+A, and then click on the font type icon, then choose a font that looks good. If you don't find any of this interesting to you, click on add more fonts, and then you can choose more fonts. Maybe I like to use Poppins, then click select, then come back the font and then choose your font, Poppins. See, now it looks better. So we are going to add a feature image to this blog post up here. Make some space, then click on the insert image, upload from your computer, browse, then go to downloads. I downloaded some image here for the magazine, so I'll use this one. It's now uploading. Now it's uploaded. Yeah, the image is here. can actually size it, even get bigger. Once you are done, you can select a label. Maybe this is about technology. You can customize, categorize your posts using labels. More on that is in my blogger course. It is free. Just check our playlist on this channel. Now you can add something like maybe a location if you need to, but this should be enough. Now let's go ahead and publish our post. So now our first post is published, and we can actually click on view here to view the post. You see it looks good. Our website is now amazing. Yeah, so we can go ahead and customize it. Let's click on magazine tutorial to go on the home page to see how it looks like. So you see, this is the post. You can add more posts and everything will be actually great. So that is it for this video. If you need to learn more about Blogger, just check my Blogger course. It is free. I provide a link in the description. If you find the video helpful, leave a like, and if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing.